Hi and welcome to another Cube 3 Tech Up video. I'm Adam Riley and today I'm going to be talking you through the Soundcore Space One headphones. Noise cancelling up, crowd noise down. Yes, these Space One headphones are from Anker's Soundcore brand. They have advanced noise cancelling structure, upgraded noise cancelling that excels in reducing noise for your aural pleasure. Multi-mics for clear calls, wearing detection, multi-point connection and fast charge. This sounds great already. Powerful noise reduction, tailored to voices. Noise cancelling adapts to your environment. There is crisp, high-res sound via the dynamic drivers that are included. It also comes with adjustable transparency to tune your world, and there's worry-free battery, as well as ergonomic design for all-day comfort. So in the box you have your Soundcore Space One headphones, a travel pouch, an auxiliary cable and a USB-C cable for charging. The auxiliary is if you don't want to use Bluetooth, if you want to connect to a standard device. These are wireless noise cancelling headphones primarily. So as you can see, this is a lovely cream style colour. The Space One headphones are fantastic. We recently looked at the A40 Space earbuds. They were great as well. But look at this. As I open the box, you can see the creamy goodness. Yes, look at these headphones. They are very stylish indeed. The colour is very sleek. The design is very smooth and very attractive. Nice curves. Nice shine to it, not too over the top or in your face. Let's take them out of the box. Carefully does it. So you'll see inside the box is all paper now because they're environmentally friendly. So look at this, we have the power button and the volume up and down. You have the soft cushioned ear cups left and right, and a cushioned head part. So the strap along the top that goes over your head is nice and soft and cushioned as well. The wearing detector sensor allows automatic play and pause, so if you take them off, it will know you've taken them off. You can see that there is adjustable ear cups. They can be twiddled around to suit your comfort. You see those indentations there that look like speakers. Those are to adapt to the sound around you. They will listen to the environment around you and adjust the noise cancelling accordingly. So there's a play and pause button. So if you are listening to your music, you can stop it manually. But like I say, if you take them off, it will recognize that they're off and stop your music. You can adjust and turn and twist to your heart's desire with no fear of any breakages because these are very sturdy. The Soundcore Space One is a fantastic upgrade from the Q model headphones that Anker Soundcore have released in the past. So there we go. You can see the standard D symbol as a logo for the Soundcore brand. Here you can see a close-up of just how delightful these look. This is high quality for a low price. So you can see the noise cancelling button, there's the headphone port and a USB-C port for charging. Let's have a look from another angle. So that's how it would look if you want to bend it and twist it so that you can store them easily. You can flip them like that and twist them around without any concerns at all. They are amazing. So let's take this out. Like I said before, this is now made of a paper, cardboardy style, more environmentally friendly than the plastic of the past. Inside here it says pull, so what do we want to do? Let's give it a pull and see what's inside. We know what's inside. It's the usual user guides, quick start guides, as well as a handy little bag. So let's have a look. Here we go. Move that to one side, move that over there, Yes, recording in a limited space. So here we are, you have your quick start guide as usual. If you need to find out more about how to use these and what the different buttons do and all the different functions, if you don't think it's self-explanatory, then you can have a look through there. There's your warning and your safety guide, just so that you don't eat them or wear them while swimming, or something equally ridiculous. Don't wear them in the shower, that might be advisable. What else is in here? It's the power cable with your standard USB end, as well as the USB-C that goes directly into your Space One headphones. There is your auxiliary cable if you want to connect your headphones to something that isn't Bluetooth. Also, we have a nifty travel bag. After all, this is so soft and cushioned, you don't want your Space One to get damaged. So if you want to take them on the travels, pop them into this useful bag. This is a very sturdy bag indeed, and will keep them nice and safe so you can take them wherever you want to go without getting them dirty or damaged. And as you can see here, they slide in perfectly, just as you would expect. And it has a drawstring, so you can pull it tight and closed so nothing will fall out. And let's take it out again. So there we are. We have the Soundcore Space One headphones. Noise cancelling up, crowd noise down. These are perfect for any occasion, whether it's gaming or listening to your favourite music. The Soundcore range has always been fantastic, and we thoroughly recommend this brand new Space One headset. Thanks for watching today. We'll be back with more videos very soon. Bye for now.